Today we are going to see exactly how you can download VMware Workstation PRO 17 from the Broadcom website. First of all, you have to build your profile from the main Broadcom webpage, and you will be redirected to the Broadcom webpage where you can add information to your account. So here you can add different information on your account, and once you go with the option yes, I want to build my account, you can choose from here several things, and on all of them you have to input your job or company, and here you don't actually have to type in your company name. If you are unemployed or if you are a student, you can just type in here not employed, no company, just student or something like that. Add your name and your location, postcode, everything else, and save that. Then from the same main page, go to support and services, and from support and services go to support portal, highlighted here, and from the right top of the page expand that menu and click on VMware Cloud Foundation. Once you click on VMware Cloud Foundation, you are being redirected to your dashboard, and from the left menus, from the left side, click on My Downloads, search for your product, in our case VMware Workstation PRO, and click then on VMware Workstation PRO. Look for the option that you want to use. Make sure that you use for personal use only. If you use VMware in a production environment, you still need a license. So if you're using it on Windows, click on VMware Workstation PRO 17 for personal use Windows, choose the version that you want, and you'll see here that once your profile is completed and the screening process is finished, you will have option to download your VMware Workstation PRO to the right side, and you just click on that and your download is starting immediately. So from here you can use your VMware Workstation PRO, but make sure that your account is authorized. Otherwise, if your account is not authorized or it has not been fully processed yet, that download button will be grayed out for you, so you will not be able to download it.